In this video, we are going to show you how to add an eye blink transition in CapCut Mobile. Now, I'm going to start from scratch. I'm going to go edit, new video. I'm going to choose 2 clips. Of course, you need to have a transition. Scroll until you see the in-between. There you go. There's going to be a white box over here. That's where we're going to adjust and add a transition. So tap that. The slide up will appear. Now, on the main menu up top, scroll to the left until you see basic, right? So there's basic. And then under basic, it's the first option here. It says blink, right? You need CapCut Pro for this. This is the eye blink effect, right? So tap that. You're going to see, there you go. That is the preview. So what you want to do is, if that's good enough for you, then press the check confirm icon here on your right hand side. Or if you want to adjust, there is a meter here up on the bottom. The more you go to the left, the slower it is. The more you go to the right, the faster it is, right? If you want to adjust that like that, okay, that's good enough for me. Tap on the check mark here on your right hand side like so. And then once you play it again, let's play it. There you go. That's pretty much it. That's how you do it. That's a video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.